In this video, we're going to go over how to deposit a check in the Wells Fargo app. It's really easy and simple actually. First things first, of course, open up the Wells Fargo app, go ahead and log in. Use your username, use your password, and if you have Face ID or fingerprint login, you can use that instead. Now, what I need you to do, once you're logged in, tap on the menu icon, the three horizontal lines basically, at the top left corner, and then go ahead and select deposit checks from the list of options. Okay, go ahead and do that. Now I want you to choose the account for the deposit, right? Pick where you want the money to go, select your checking or savings account from the drop down, and make sure it's the correct account before moving forward. And then all you need to do is enter the check amount. Just type in the exact amount written on the check, okay? Double check that it matches to avoid errors. And Wells Fargo may have deposit limits, so you want to ensure that your check actually qualifies. Now we need to take photos of the check, both front and back. So place the check on a flat, well-lit surface, tap on take a photo for the front side of the check, flip it over, and then tap take a photo for the back side. Okay, go ahead and do that. And then just double check everything before finalizing, right? Confirm the amount, the account, and the check images are actually correct. Then just go ahead and click on submit deposit to complete the process. Now you just need to wait for the confirmation and basically the hold period, right? So Wells Fargo will be reviewing your deposit and you'll get a email confirmation once it is received. Now these funds are usually available within 1 to 2 business days, but some checks may take longer. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.